Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to make gradient background in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to New File to create a new document. I will use this preset and keep this setting and create a new document. Next, we can show Layers window. So we can go to Window and show Layers here. I put it here. And I suggest to create a new layer. So we can go to bottom to create a new layer. And make sure that we select the new layer and then go to left toolbar. We can find gradient tool here. Select it and then go to top option bar. We can find the gradient presets. We can use basic. We can use blue gradient color. And we can use others. I will keep it as default. I use black and white. And then we can go to Artboard and click and drag to add gradient effects here. So if we change our mind, we can click and drag again to change another gradient effects. Now I make it horizontally. I press Shift to make sure that this is horizontal. Next, we have option to change the style. We can use linear, we can use radial, we can use angle, reflected, and diamond. And also we can reverse it. Actually, we can find the same option in Properties window. We can go to Window and show Properties here. And I put it here. So we found the same setting here. I change back to linear. So we can change the color. So we can use double click to open color picker to change the color. For example, we can change to pink in one end, and the other end I will change to blue color. So we can click and drag the point to change the effects and transition for the gradient effects. If you want to add one more color, we can go to this bar and click to add one more point and double click to change another color. And press OK to apply it. If we want to cancel it, we can select one of the points and use the truss to delete it. Furthermore, if you want to use the opacity, we can select one of the points and then change the opacity here. So one end will be changed to transparent because this is in white background. I make it invisible so we can see the gradients transit to transparent. I select it again and go back to 100 opacity. So if we want to set it as a background, we can select multiple layers and then use right click and use flatten image and press OK to change it to gradient background. So this is how we can make gradient background in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.